In this video we will learn how to connect the ATD5833 driver with the ZK-SMC01 stepper motor controller. We connect both GND terminals together. We connect both enable terminals. We connect both DIR terminals. We connect the step terminal with the pull terminal. Because the 5833 driver has a logic input voltage between 3 and 5.5 volts, we will use a voltage divider or supply from a source with this voltage. Connect the negative terminal of the voltage divider to the negative DC terminal of the controller. Connect the positive terminal of the voltage divider to the positive DC terminal of the controller. We connect the negative terminal of the voltage divider to the negative DC terminal of the power supply. Connect the positive terminal of the voltage divider to the positive DC terminal of the power supply. We connect the VM terminal of the driver to the positive DC terminal of the power supply. We connect the GND terminal of the driver to the negative DC terminal of the power supply. Between the VM and GND terminals we put a capacitor of 100 microfarads. Connect the 2B terminal of the driver with the blue terminal B- of the stepper. Connect the 1B terminal of the driver with the red terminal B+ of the stepper. We connect the 1A terminal of the driver with the black terminal A+ of the stepper. We connect the 2A terminal of the driver with the green terminal A- of the stepper. Now you know how to connect the ATD5833 driver with the ZK-SMC01 controller.